Do voices ever look out of sync with lips, or does your IPTV sound too quiet or too loud? Don't worry, your service isn't broken. These problems usually come from mismatched audio settings, and fixing them is simple. Every IPTV stream sends sound through multiple layers: the player, your device, your TV or soundbar, and each layer can add tiny delays. If one layer falls behind, voices drift out of sync. Audio must stay aligned from start to finish. Lip sync delay happens when audio arrives before or after the video. TVs add image processing, soundbars add decoding time, and small delays stack together. The key is to control those layers. Let's start with output modes. There are three: stereo or PCM, pass-through, and surround. Stereo or PCM is the most reliable. Your device decodes sound directly, so your TV just plays it. Pass-through sends raw audio to your receiver or soundbar, but it only works correctly when every device supports it. Surround formats like Dolby Digital or DTS depend on full chain compatibility. If you're unsure, start with stereo, then test pass-through. Use pass-through when you have an AV receiver that can decode sound itself. Soundbars may or may not handle it well, and most TVs reprocess audio even when pass-through is on. Receivers, use it. Soundbars, test it. TVs, leave it off. If dialogue sounds too quiet or explosions too loud, it's not your IPTV feed. It's dynamic range. To fix it, switch to stereo output, enable volume leveling or night mode, and turn down any virtual surround effects. You'll lose a bit of spatial depth, but gain clarity. Each device behaves differently. TVs often delay audio for image enhancement. Streaming boxes are faster and more consistent. PCs need the correct output device chosen in settings. Pick the cleanest audio path. Fewer processors, fewer delays. Still hearing delay? Use your player's audio sync adjustment. Move the slider in small steps, about 50 to 100 milliseconds, and test on live TV. Adjust slowly, small tweaks make big improvements. Here's your quick fix checklist. Choose the right output, use pass-through only if supported, enable volume leveling, adjust sync, then restart your devices. Most IPTV audio problems disappear after this. When everything is aligned, IPTV audio feels seamless. Clear voices, no lag, and consistent sound across every scene. Stream smarter, stream responsibly. Stream smarter with Zyminex. For more information, visit Zyminex.com. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more IPTV insights. Use only licensed content, follow local laws and provider terms of service.